Caitlin, I think the cat wants to come home with me. Yeah. Here filming at Todd Farm. There's a wonderful barn cat. His name's Hank. But is this warmer than the barn? Are you coming out? You coming out or are you gonna stay? Okay. See you later. Thanks, just keeping an eye on the camera for me. I'll be right back. Look, there's a mouse. Look at the mouse over there, look. Go get him. Go get the mouse. See it? No? All right, filming at the farm for an hour or so. And Hank is still in my car. Hey, Hank, do you want me to start up the car? Warm it up for you? My goodness. I just, maybe a couple of these hand warmers underneath his bum, he'd be happy. What do you think? Yeah? Want some heat on? Oh, sure. Okay, cup of coffee. Anything else? All right, just to update the call sheet to Ed. Hank is number one. There you go. Hey, look at that now. Wow. Thought that would actually scare him out of the truck, but that's not going to work at all. Guy's a Mauser. He's a barn cat. He's not afraid of a lizard. He says, why is it so lazy? No. I missed it when Hank got a big mouse.
Oh yeah. No, I saw him running out.
Oh god, yeah. Oh yeah. Well, Hank, we're ready to leave, buddy.
Saw a couple of deer.
You did a great job watching the gear for us today. Yep. Did a great job watching the gear. See you later, Hank. Here he goes. Guess he's not coming with me. He's looking for somebody else to go with.
Yeah, right?
Hey, Hank, it's got a nice rig.
We all have hat bags. So.
Yeah. I don't know. I was heading for John's.
Great, we got a snooty cat.
Go ahead, a fussy.
Oh,
Okay,
BMW,
yeah.
BMW.
All right. Yeah, getting the nicest rig. Oh, just because his is the newest. I'm going to get in this one. Oh, I'm not getting in the 2010 CRV. Yeah. Camera guy got a BMW. Let's get in there. Oh, come on, Hank. I turned my back for 2 seconds to get back in there. Get out. I gotta go. Seriously, I gotta go. I'm going home. And he wouldn't get in a Volkswagen. Come on, Hank. Come on, Hank. Come on. The lizard's gonna get you. Go. Get. Come on, Hank. Get. Come on.
He's just getting comfortable.
See you later. You can't hide. Come on. Out. No. Come on. Out. No. Out. Come on. Gee, you tough fella. Eh? Sorry. Can't stay here. See ya.